Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Just got back from the flea market and I hit a garage sale on the way home, and I got a really good deal. I got this whole box full of tools and this box full of tools for $10 in total. And then at the flea market, I got all this stuff, a dollar here, a couple bucks here. I'll go over that. We'll go through all this stuff one piece at a time. I have not went through this stuff. I just eyeballed it and made the guy an offer, and he took it. And so we'll go through all this stuff. Some of this stuff I know I'm not going to know what it is, so you guys can help me with that. So without further ado, I will move to a better place and we'll go through these pieces one at a time. All right, see ya. All right guys, I'm going to start off with the stuff that I got from the flea market. First off, I got these for $1 vacuum grip linesman pliers. Most likely these are snap-on. I know they produced a vacuum grip, and I remember the handles being like this, but I don't see the snap-on logo there. But these are really cool. This was $4.25. A Sargent, pretty good size plane here. Little wiggly handle, but I can take this all apart and clean it up, sell it on eBay. This one was a no-namer, I think. Yeah, I couldn't find anything on there, but hammer was $1. That's just the handle to this cross peen hammer. Only thing I could find on this was, it looks like it says maybe cast steel in there. There's a little logo there, looks like a part of a diamond. So I don't know, I'll have to further research that. This one I actually picked up last week. It was like the only thing I got last week. But it was $3. Miller's Falls. Really cool ball peen hammer head. I got some Wiss metal shears here. Got to pick those up for $1. And got this one I kind of paid up for. This was $4. I tried to get the guy to go to $3 and he said $4.50, and I'm like, okay, all right, I'll pay the $4 because I haven't researched it yet, but I haven't seen gray, and it looks like it says it was made in Canada in there, so that's interesting. All right, and this one, yeah, I was able to uncover just enough to tell that this is a Heller. It's got the little horse logo there, and it says Heller right here. Ball peen hammer. And then last one, another new name, Palmer. Pretty ugly hammer, and look at that. Look at that mess on top there. Oop. But yeah, that was $1. Okay, so that's the end of the flea market finds, and then now we're gonna go to the exciting part, the boxes. I haven't looked except for the top, so should be fun. So hang on. Okay guys, let's start on the first box. We got this a valve wrench of some sort, rain spray, an old wooden handled screwdriver, an open end, double open end Barcelo here, really cool. I have one of these. Okay, we got a SK combo. Invacare. Some sort of a flag holder. Bent flat wrench of some sort. Looks like a Williams. Double open end. A rusty McCraig hatch. Double open end. Yucky. Got a push drill here. It's a I'll try to throw in a picture of that. Got some metal shears here, Wiss M3s. Another push drill. Oh, this looks pretty cool. I hear some rattling in there. So, oh wait. Let's see if I can open this. Oh, it's Miller's Falls. I'll try to open it later. It's a flat wrench, some sort. Fleet combo. Man, these are some cool, there's some cool stuff in here. I'm loving this. Both those boxes, $10. So this is basically a $5 box for all I'm showing you here. There's plenty more. This is going to be a long video. Industro. We got a Williams Super Wrench. So cool. I'm going to try to go a little faster because there's a lot here. Another little SK. A Craftsman. Flat wrench. Not reading that. Oh, Globemaster. Cool. All right, another Barcelo. No name wrench. Let's change it up here. There's more wrenches coming up. Got a sharpening stone. A oil filter tightener remover. Some sort of a I don't know what you call these. Yeah. Oh, look at this. It's got a cool handle. A fish on there. That's cool. Kind of a bent wrench there. Pennons. Bike wrench. KMC. Amco. That's a cool one. Box in, double box in. McCraig Hatcham. Industro angled wrench there. Rockwell flat wrench. Looks like somebody bent this Barcelo up. Oh, this is an old Ford wrench right here. Man, I cannot believe this. This is so cool. Look at this. Oh, this one's awesome. Here comes an awesome one right here. Boom. Look at that. That is so crazy cool. What is this? Let me see. I'll probably be throwing some close-up pictures to add in here, because I'm not seeing the name on this. It's pretty small, so I'll clean it up a little bit. I'll throw a picture up there. But that is just sweet. I got a Billings combo. Some Honda. I got a Honda wrench and a generic handle. This is a big one. It's a Buffalo Barcelo. Really long box end. Okay, I'm going to pick out a bunch of flat wrenches. Got these flat wrenches here of different types. And we got a tappet wrench. Whoa, this one's interesting. Look at this. Check that out. Who knows what this is for? Look at this. Look at that gizmo on there. That's crazy. I've never seen anything like that. Hey, let me know, guys, if you've seen anything like this one before. That's cool. Got one of those auto wrenches. Auto 9, whatever. This one says driver on it. Craftsman. Super Bench Williams. Spatula. Metal shears. These are Malco, so that's a new one for me. Some kind of barbecue tools here that won't even fit. A skewer. Pair of pliers. Got several of these type. CT. And let's get some more flat wrenches there. More flat wrenches. Can you believe we have another box to go through after this? I'm starting to get to the bottom of it. Kawasaki motorcycle wrench. Barcelo Buffalo. And the wrenches are starting to get smaller now. So got just kind of quickly go through them so we can get to the next box. Billings. Another Barcelo Buffalo. Generic. Made in USA. Oh man, this is such a great day for me. I'm telling you, I needed this. I really did need this. And the rest of these are really small. Ignition wrenches and such. Right. Okay, guys, we made it through the first box. Now, on to the last box. Okay, so now, here's a good question for you guys. I'm thinking this is probably for tires, for taking off tires, or something like that. If you guys know, you can let me know. It says High Grown Spoon, S&G Tool Aid Corp on there. I'm thinking it's a tire spoon, so I've got two of them. One's curved, and this one's flat. Pretty cool. I got this pickaxe. I don't know if there's a maker's mark on here. Oh yeah, I see something there. Let's see here. I'm not quite reading that. All right, keep going. I got, looks like some pruning knives here that are pretty beat up. They don't look like they're too high quality or anything. Got a good looking file here with a wooden handle. I see something here. Let's come on, focus. Let's file. Something like that. Number 3. Anyway, yeah, it's cool. And then another pruning light knife. Got some rope. I got these dilly-dallies for screwing into the ground. And we got a beautiful garden hoe of some sort, which is pretty cool. And check this out. I like it. I don't know why. It's just neat. Gosh, it's so messed up though. Yeah. Let's see here. I don't see a maker's mark right now on this. I'll have to take the wire wheel and see if I can find something under there. Okay, we're getting down to the last few items here. This broken pruners there. I will see if this works and try to use it if possible. And the last thing is a hammer. And no maker's mark on there. And it looks bent. Anyhow, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm going to throw a bunch of pictures with a little music here at the end. It's been a great day. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Bye.